guys, today me and Sissy are going to be trying cough drops. Alright, what kind are the cough drops? I'm doing a video. Mommy. Cough drops. Because I'm doing a citrus. So Sissy's tried them before. I've never tried them.
After I read that, I said I want to buy one of those.
So yeah, guys, let's try it.
They look like this.
Yeah, Sissy's gonna try hers first.
A yellow one tastes like lemon.
What? I don't like lemon.
One's
Let's
taste like
try
pineapple
it.
too. A yellow. You want
I only like Ludens.
You like lemon?
What?
You like lemon?
No, I hate lemon.
I like strawberry.
Oh, I smell it. Oh, I don't like the smell.
I smell it. Yeah.
Okay, guys, let's try it.
They're good? They're good? They're good, Maya? They're good.
Guys, they're actually so good.
Mom,
Guys, it's like pitch black, so that's why I got my flash on. Where is it? Okay. I got it. Here, run. Okay, guys, so we're watching this. I'm recording. I got my hair. What are you watching? Oh, so cute. I love that. Look at those blue eyes. You really know how to make me cry when you give me those things. Bubba, what game are you playing on your phone? Can I see? He don't want to show me. I'm just gonna drink my yoo-hoo and mind my business. Bubba's being weird. What game is that? Go download that game, guys.